Timothy thundered down the line. Gordon was at Lower Tidmouth again, dropping off his last passengers, feeling very tired. Oh, I'm gonna need some rest at the end. But then he heard a whistle. Fine, if I can't have Thomas, then no one can have Gordon. Ha 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 ha. But Timothy became unlucky because Gordon was on the other. Timothy went thundering down the line past Gordon, and he was so surprised. What? Timothy is actually real? No, 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 it can't be.
Yeah, sure I can find you another girl in no time. Yeah, whatever, bro.
Then Gordon saw Timothy coming on his line. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Please, please, please. I don't want to die. I've lived for so long. Ha 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 ha. But Timothy disappeared. He's gone. Gordon heard the guard's whistle and quickly got out of there as fast as he could. Help! I just saw Timothy, the ghost engine! Guys, you'll not believe it. I just saw Timothy. He was actually real. We tried to warn you, Duck and Toad tried to warn you, Gordon, but you didn't want to listen.